An AWD file stores fax page images from Windows Fax and Scan, received or scanned documents preserved in Microsoft's fax format. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you open, convert, or print these fax documents. Let's take a preventative approach first. A universal viewer can often read an AWD file even if its header is corrupt. Stay tuned for more info on my specific software suggestion. AWD files are Microsoft Fax documents created by Windows Fax and Scan and older Microsoft Fax software. They contain scan page images in a proprietary format storing black and white fax data with CCITT Group 3 or Group 4 compression used in traditional fax transmission. Microsoft AWD files use a proprietary container format wrapping CCITT compressed monochrome page images with metadata including sender information page, count timestamp, and resolution settings. They are designed for standard fax resolution of 200x200 or 200x100 dpi. The most common, market-leading program for AWD is Windows Fax and Scan from Microsoft Corporation. To unlock the full potential of this format, a dedicated program is required for rendering. Windows provides only a lightweight viewer, so full editing belongs in photo editing programs. To force the file open, right-click your AWD file and select Open With. If Windows Fax and Scan is an option, test it. If it's not available, choose another program. We are trying to find the specific compatibility bridge. If the AWD file won't open, don't panic. Your system failed to open the AWD file. We need to bypass the failure by running these 3 crucial diagnostic steps right now. First, opening the file. Open the AWD file using Windows Fax and Scan, which is built into Windows. Navigate to Start and search for Windows Fax and Scan, then use File then Open to load the fax document. The viewer displays all pages with zoom and navigation controls. Next, converting to PDF or TIFF. Open the AWD file in Windows Fax and Scan and use File, then Print, then select Microsoft Print to PDF to convert the fax document to a universally readable PDF file. For TIFF conversion, use IRFNView or XNView to open the AWD and export as multi-page TIFF. Finally, recovering legacy fax data. For AWD files from older Windows versions that fail to open, in modern Windows Fax and Scan, try using IRFNView with plugins installed or the free AWD Viewer utility. Convert recovered fax documents to PDF immediately for long-term archival and cross-platform accessibility. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. The complexity of this file is clear now when the other solutions have failed. Your best chance for recovery lies with a superior program like FileMagick. Access it at filemagick.com. Don't forget to like this video and tap the subscribe button for instant access to future solutions.